Learning Journey presents Telly Jr. Teaching Time Clock.
Hi there, I'm Telly Jr. and I'm going to help you learn how to tell time.
Learning time has never been easier than with the Telly Jr. Teaching Time Clock.
Just move my hand and I'll tell you the time. Great, the time is now 6:15.
With movable clock hands, a large LCD screen, and 2 play modes, learn to tell time in 5-minute increments or be quizzed on your time-telling ability. Telly Jr. will have your child learning both digital and analog time and building self-confidence.
Wow! Let's play Find the Time. Move my hands to find 6:25. You are so smart.
Learning time has never been so much fun. The Learning Journey, making high-quality, award-winning products for your children. Subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram.